Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm just looking at the mess behind me in the viewfinder. But, so we're going to start spring cleaning, and now normally this isn't something that I would consider like on the spring cleaning list per se, because obviously it's something that you need to do a little bit more often than spring cleaning. But I also felt like it was a really good reminder of a time to like go ahead and get it done, you know, along with your spring cleaning. So basically, my fridge desperately needs cleaned again. I did it like right before Thanksgiving and then just haven't gotten to it again since, like actually like cleaning it. So I need to do that. Tomorrow is garbage day and I'll probably have to make a Walmart order. So it's a good time to basically just empty out the fridge, make it nice and clean, and most likely it will be pretty empty once you get all that crap cleaned out of it, and just get it all cleaned up and ready to go. So that's what we're going to do today. And yes, I did just get out of the shower, so my hair is wet, and I don't have makeup on because that's just the way it goes on this channel. I'm most likely not going to be pulled together. I'm going to be in loungy clothes, and that's just the way it is. But some days I might be pulled together if I made a makeup video that day, but other than that, probably not. So let's get started.
Like I was falling through the air. No one made myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. We're missing is one.
Alright guys, if this is your first time here, I'd like to say welcome, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Tiffany. I am 39 years old. I live in a very small town, very small town in Pennsylvania. And I just want you guys to please excuse the fact that I am still getting over an awful cold. So if I sound a little stuffy, that is why. But yeah, so I live in a small town in Pennsylvania. I am married. We are a blended family. We have both been married previously. I have 2 kids. My husband has 3 kids. So when we have them all together here at one time, there's 5 altogether. But we do have them, you know, at different times, but we do also have them all together too. But, so yeah, that's just a little bit about my family. I'm so happy that you're here. I do all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's kind of all over the place, which, you know, they say to be successful you shouldn't do, but, you know, here we are, because that's just me. So I will be here to give you cleaning motivation. I love doing remodeling. I do makeup, crafts. We like to go on trips, so all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if you like any of that or all of that, then I would please encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell and hit all so you get all the notifications when I upload. And I would really super appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a lot, and I hope you get some cleaning motivation from this.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the 2 of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but there's like the two of us are gold and the gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close with me. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you.
Now, depending on how dirty my fridge is, now normally, like if it's really bad, I would take all of the shelves, I guess, on the door. I would take everything out and wipe everything down. But honestly, it wasn't too bad in there. Like there were some crumbs, mostly towards the bottom. But, and there was some sticky stuff from something that had been spilled, and the one shelf on the right-hand side had some sticky stuff in it too. But for the most part, it really wasn't bad enough to remove all the shelves and just pull absolutely everything out. So I was really only pulling out where it was really bad, and I felt like it needed to really be taken apart to, really get in there and clean. But otherwise, I was just kind of like spraying and cleaning, and it was getting really, like I said, it really wasn't that bad. So that's why, some of it I took apart and some of it I didn't.
I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Now, what you are about to see is that my kids like to do this thing in my freezer where they get out something, chicken nuggets and onion rings in this case, and makes a snack or whatever in the air fryer, and they don't like to apparently fold up the bags real well or put them in a freezer bag or something, and then they will spill all through the freezer like that, and then they won't eat the rest of whatever was in the bag because they complain that now it is freezer burned because it was just left hanging open. Oh, gotta love kids.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic. And it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me. Baby, you got me. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. We're doing it all.
Alright, this is really all I've got for you today, guys. I hope it gave you some motivation to get your fridge cleaned out. Sorry I didn't talk too much during this one. Like I said, I'm still getting over a cold. I'm pretty stuffy, and I'm sure you don't want to listen to that. And, I just thought maybe you'd like to enjoy some music and get the motivation to, get your fridge cleaned out. I'd like to, thank you again for watching, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Believe in the magic.